Hello and welcome to a new project on this channel. I'm very happy to introduce you to the new Hogwarts Legacy project, which we'll be working on a little bit in the near future. If you haven't heard of it yet, you can browse around on YouTube or watch the official video of Hogwarts Legacy in the link below my video to see if you like it. In the project itself, we'll take care of some complex systems where we'll take a few more episodes, so the game will be almost as cool as Hogwarts Legacy. Among other things, we will go into topics such as the skill tree system, shot system with the magic wand, and quest system, whereby we will also take care of animals and other topics. If there is still a little time, which will certainly be the case, we will take care of a broom system, with which we can then play Quidditch, which you get to see in the Harry Potter movies. For this project, assets are certainly needed that can also cost money, but in most cases I will either give free alternative suggestions in the links or create what fits better. If you don't want to miss the project or Unreal Engine 5 tutorials in general, feel free to subscribe to my channel and like the video. I'm really looking forward to it. See you!